the workshops that I've done with Vanessa, they would have better served me as a teacher in the classroom, but they would have also better served me as like a source of knowledge to best support parents and like the parent teacher relationship to like bridge the gap between home and school. And if you are looking into like bringing one of these workshops to the parents in your school, I wouldn't hesitate at all, because I think that it is such a powerful tool, not only for the parents, but for like the community as a whole. Because when we have shared language to kind of bring us together, and we have like this same a similar way of like approaching struggles within our communities, it makes us stronger in the end. And I truly believe that if I had had this back then, I would have been able to like best support my classroom, best support my own kids back then before I knew these things, and also best support the parents that were coming to me for support with their children at home as well.